tussle is ongoing between the top two contenders for DHFL, that is Piramal Enterprises and Oaktree Capital, are continuing their war of words. This is even as the voting window is on for lenders to vote on the eligible bids. Remember, this window will shut on January 14th. Until then, there are no meetings scheduled amongst the Committee of Creditors. But we understand that Oaktree Capital had written a letter to the Committee of Creditors, marking the DHFL administrator as well, and which we had reported on as well, that in the letter Oaktree had said that their bid is higher by Piramal Enterprises' bid by 4,500 crores in fair market value terms. And in the letter, they had also detailed that they feel, they know that according to the initial feedback that they have received from PwC, the bonds issued by Oaktree are going to be AAA rated bonds in comparison to Piramal's AA rated bonds. They had said that the notional value of Piramal's bonds comes to only 16,618 crore as opposed to the 19,550 crore that Piramal has put in their resolution plan. So these were the claims made by Oaktree Capital. The other points that Oaktree had raised was also that there's 1,700 crore which they had put in an email before the Committee of Creditors meeting began in December, saying that they will be giving that as additional interest income to creditors, is not being considered by creditors. So all these points, now Piramal has come forth and they are refuting these points. To take a look at what Piramal Enterprises is saying, firstly, they're saying that the additional 1,700 crore that Oaktree Capital had given was given after the deadline that was set by the COC to give their updated bids, to give any revised bids that they want to. It was in an email on 24th December, which was 2 days after the deadline, which is why the COC is not considering it. Now, talking about the main claim made by Oaktree on the fair market value and how Oaktree's bid is higher, they have said that this claim by Oaktree Capital that their bonds are AAA rated is in violation of two SEBI norms, which is one, that credit rating agencies are not allowed by law to provide any credit opinion or have any indicative credit rating discussions. The second is that without a formal rating being published, an issuer is prohibited by law from marketing an instrument to potential subscribers. We also understand that SEBI is looking into Oaktree's claims right now, talking about these AAA rated bonds, because this is based on pure feedback by PwC and rating agencies are not allowed to give such feedback. So SEBI is also looking into these claims. Secondly, Oaktree's claims saying that they're fully implementable. Again, Piramal is saying the same points that they had made, that they are not an Indian entity and hence the insurance business where FDI norms restrict a foreign entity to invest only 49% is going to come in the way. So these are the rebuttals that have been given by Piramal Enterprises. They have said that Oaktree had said that their bid is unconditional, while Piramal is saying that their bid, Oaktree's bid, falls short on basic capital adequacy norms laid down by the regulator and allows them to benefit from the cash flows of DHFL with no skin in the game. So this war of words is continuing. We will have to see what happens, what is the outcome of the voting on 14th of January, because that will be most important. That will help us understand that which is the bid that lenders prefer more over the other.